back to Slurps, Fresh Noodle Fridays. So today we're doing things a bit differently. We're gonna be doing a Vietnamese salad roll. And I know there's so many recipes out there, how to make salad rolls. There's so many like different fusion style ones with avocado and like bell pepper in it. But we're going right down to the basics today. Just a bit of rice noodle, bean sprouts, fresh Thai basil, some romaine lettuce, and of course, we're gonna wrap it all up, make a nice meal out of it. Let's roll with it, let's get going. So salad rolls are super easy to make, they're very healthy. Just be sure when you make them, you serve them right away or else the skin will get dry and brittle and it'll break and you don't want that. It's also super versatile, you could really put anything in it, but I'm just keeping it super simple today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to click on the little bell to get some notifications so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!